Hi, welcome to what will be the first video of the channel, proper video, aside from the sort of me reversing the car, showing you the original lights, which I hadn't long had the car, so I just wanted to test everything worked, and that was the easiest way for me to do it. Anyway, what we're going to be doing today is just fitting some custom rear lights. They've been smoked. Where the brake lights, indicators and side lights are, they haven't been tinted. It's the rest of the light, sort of the reflector part, that has been tinted with light smoke spray with about 4 or 5 coats, which makes that light tint become more of a dark tint. And then it's been lacquered over, rubbed down to a high polish. And this is what we've got. So these are the ones. As you can see, they've been masked off and they're looking pretty cool. So we're going to fit those today. Pretty simple job for the car. There she is. And let's have a go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is going to tackle this light first. And just to show you, just take that off there. That just comes off of there. And you can see there's a bolt here. And there's another one up there. It's only 2 bolts. They're 10mm. Unscrew those. Obviously, unplug this too, and it'll just pop out. This should just pop straight out. Happy days. Amazon delivery here. Not for me. Right. Simple as the opposite. There we go. It's a quick look. The light's in the way a bit, but I think they're going to look pretty cool. And then all we're going to do, exact same for this side. Alright, done the 2 inner lights, look pretty cool. Now we've got to tackle the outers. So we're going to have to get in behind the liners here, behind the in the arch liners. I'm going to probably end up taking this boot carpet out just to make it easier to pull things back. Pretty easy really. Once you pull this back, I'll show you, there's just a couple of screws, again, just pop out, unplug the electrics and we'll be good to go. Okay, so we've pulled the liner back here, you can see all the wiring here. We can get access to the back for this, so you can immediately see the electrical connector, which will disconnect, and the 3 10mm bolts that we'll unscrew. Now, let's unplug the light here, so just, excuse me, pull that in, and out she pops. So yeah, as I was saying, this does pull out. You pull this little thing up as far as you can, and then I'll unclip it, you can pull it. It does need a bit of force. I have to put the camera down because it does then pop out. And there you go, that's your connector for the light. That's all that's holding it in then, so we'll just get these 3 bolts out and we can take it off. There we go. That needs to be glued on. Anyway, that's out. Happy days. So, new and old. Look, I think it's going to make a huge difference. That needs some sticking papers to stick that back on, but that's not a problem. So we'll screw that back on, plug the connector in, do the same on that side, and we'll give them a test. Let's get it on. There we go, perfect. And then we'll just bolt it all up, plug it in, and we'll have a look. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. There we go. Looking pretty snazzy. Get it out of the gag in a bit now, and we'll have a better look. But I think that's looking pretty sweet. Okay guys, here we go. This is as I said, I'll bring the car outside to show you. They're looking pretty good. Let me unlock the car. That's, the lights are on there. Looking pretty good. Okay, so that's kind of it for today. Pretty pleased with the outcome of those lights. You know, as I said, you know, keeping the inner circle of bits free of any tint obviously keeps us, you know, safe on the road, but I think it just gives it that little OEM look with that slight tint there. That's pretty cool. So that's it for today. I've got a few other things coming up that I want to do to the car. Dynamic indicators for the wing mirrors. So I've got those in hand, so that'll be another video that we'll do, because I know we've got to take the wing mirror apart to get that on. I've got some 5D carbon wrap, which I'm going to wrap the wing mirror covers in, and possibly the dash trim as well, because I ordered more than I needed. So I thought, well, why not? Let's give it a go. If it looks rubbish, I'll just rip it off. That's the beauty of tint. And what I also want to do with that is wrap the VW badge. At the moment, it's currently wrapped black, which you've probably seen as I've shown you the back of the car there. But I'm also going to wrap the backing plate in silver to match the car, so the VW stands out a little bit better, but in the carbon gloss wrap. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Put a like on the video if you did. Share, subscribe. That would be awesome. Alright guys, if there's anything you want to see that I've not touched on here, if there's questions about what I've done today, please get in touch. I'd be more than happy to help if I can. And if there's anything you want to see me do to the car, let me know that too. Cheers then guys. Speak to you again.